Okay guys, welcome back to DragonWorks. It's been a long road, long time for me and even longer for the customer, 3 or 4 times longer for the customer. This bike has been in a box for 3 or 4 years now, and this is the bike in the box, 1981 Suzuki RM125X. And I forgot my helmet today at the house, so I can't hook up my GoPro. I'm just gonna put my camera phone here on a tripod and try to get you guys a little footage. I'll probably shoot a couple different videos and then splice them together. But anyway, I guess the first thing I'll do, and like I said, just bear with me here. I'm working limited, but I'm going to drop the camera over here back out of the way. I'll start it up. She's a smoker right now because I think the exhaust has got a lot of old oil in it. But I do have it mixed rich during the break-in, so don't mind that. When she warms up, she really rips, so I'll take a couple little passes and ease into it for you. But anyway, without further ado, I'm going to walk over here and set the camera down for you guys and then see what I can do. Bear with me. Let's see, here's a good flat spot. And I'll get you a couple different angles. What's going on with this tripod? Okay. Tripod was trying to be a unipod here. Let's see how that works. I got to get it. I'm in some shale. Okay, what I'll try to do, let's get a little better. Here we go. So you can see me crank it, and you'll see a little bit. You'll see me come flying by maybe. All right, guys, hang on here for a minute. Don't give me any crap about my gear because I don't have it. I'll just take it easy. How's that? Petcock is leaking. I'm going to have to get a gasket for it. We didn't know that till obviously I got it on the bike. That's how you do it. I don't know any other way. I don't know. All right, let's try a couple rips here. let's rep it. She's a little smoker, but hey, she's doing pretty good. I did foul plug here earlier. I got it mixed extremely rich right now during break-in, and she's coming in pretty good. So stay tuned, because I'll get some better videos soon.